We just found this box on the ground here. Look at it, check it out.
Found this under a rock today.
What's in there? Whoa, whoa.
You can have one. You can buy one. You must buy one.
So I know a lot of people have been asking where were the hoodies and stuff, because we ordered some hoodies, but we only ordered a small amount. But we got more hoodies. Ruben's just going to demonstrate. But a lot of people were asking about the hoodies and t-shirts, and you can actually have this hoodie here.
This one, extra.
So yeah, there'll be a link at the description and at the end of the video. Throw away those old hoodies.
Yeah, look it up on the roof.
Fuck them away and get yourself
two new hoodies.
2 new Juicebox hoodies. Yeah, woo! We're gonna take off the back bumper and see what's going on, because it might be shite behind it. Loads of people. What's going on in here? Holy shit. More fucking spidogs. Oh, spiders everywhere. Oh, that's misery. Fucking lovely. We're gonna take off the back bumper. There's 17s, I guess. They look like 17s, and lots of fucking spidery. We got another 2 grommets here. There might be a couple of fucking little presents. Hey guys, how are you doing? Oh fuck. Ooh, she's a bit scoldy there. She's got the rust hole here. Let's patch it up there with a little rubber grommet.
Dougie put that there the other day.
Yeah. So we got a couple of different sprays here. We got the Abro AB80, and we've got the 300ml Heineken. Pour the 300ml Heineken on the bowl. Oh shit, it's really gonna loosen up any problems you're gonna have in here. That's the lubricant. This Barry's got the 10s.
Hit the fourth Barry's. This way.
Barry's got the move. Good man, Barry. Oh man, listen to that. So basically, to loosen up the threads, we used a lubricant called Heineken. It's from Dutchland.
What's in this? And it won't come out. It's fucking so much, there's no gas. Right. Hit me, mate.
Fuck, watch the old. And then we gave up.
Brute forceinator.
Got the brute forceinator. Things are getting real. Oh yes. And we've resorted to electricity. Back to good old manual. Holy fuck, what was that? Sure, look. Can't win them all. So the nut has snapped off inside the bumper. In classic fashion, we snapped the last bolt. Oh, fucking shit, man. Oh, fucking shit.
Japanese passage.
Yeah.
Do you know you guys are getting hardship with your cars? You car guys getting hardship with cars? You call it cardship. Cardship. Get it?
Fucking cardship. Poor Barry was trying to get the 17 into a little fucking stupid hole, And yeah, there's a slide section the whole time. I'm not doing anything. I'm just down on the ground.
What's fucking new?
I'm just on the ground for no reason.
Go back a bit.
Serious fucking balancing skill here. The nut has snapped off inside the brackets. We had to fucking put this on this spanner with this rag, with flip, with a fucking impact gun, and we did it. Do the last little bit there. Oh, yay! Oh yes, here it is. Let's see it. Well, I'll help. Off she comes. Whoa! Holy fuck, man! Hang on, that's amazing. There's no rust. Like this should be.
Eight.
Should be gone. Like look at this. Let me get the light. Give us over the light there. Look at all this fucking misery. Oh my god.
It's like a fucking.
Hello. Oh.
Oh, it's actually
Oh.
strong when you pull it. There's something else holding on to that as I'm pulling it.
Someone else is holding on to it, going, "Hey, give me back that." All right. So this is Mank.
Oh jeez. It's like the fake cobwebs you buy from Halloween.
Yeah, for a Halloween, but they're actually the real version of them. We took off the back bumper because we wanted to see what's going on. And yeah. There we go. So I lied to everybody, the pockets are not mint. They are actually not too bad though. Look at the pockets, lad. The pockets. Whoa. Holy fuck, the other side is mint. So we weren't lying anyway. Yes, the pockets are mint, lad, look. Look at them pockets. It's unbelievably good on this side. And this middle piece here is fucking super clean. We got very, very lucky. Yeah, no, I'll have to go at that soon. What the fuck, man? Look at that. Why is it like that? It's got like a weird design on it. Yeah. Thanks, Barry. Thanks. Out, man. See, we got the bumper off. Very important moment. She was in a bit of a crash in Japan because this is filler, and then this is fucking dented up, and that's a bit shite. Pitch black. So yeah, just a little bit of shit here. This is a little bit dented. There's a bit of filler here from Japan, but we knew that anyway. This, you can see the way this is sticking out. It's a little bit fat.
Fucking 1A there.
Yes, Spider Hotel. Look at that fucking just.
That's where my head was last day.
Alright, so we turned the window into some shelves because this space here is now my space. We're going to make a bench. Josh is going to cut. Yeah, so we're going to put that here, fill this in, hide these gearboxes, and then we're just going to put this guy here. It's really hard to video and help and cut by yourself. So bouncy! Flappy. Yeah, these are a problem. There's another one here, so we need to take them off, really. Getting on. Hey!
You want to say the big bones? They're big.
So yeah, what started out as just trying to put some shelves in the window turned into building a bench. It's pretty skinny and shit, but it'll do for now. Yeah, there's not many car garages that have a wood shop in them at the same time. Thanks to fucking Dave here, who's not here. Yeah, so we're going to put the wood on the wall here, and it's going to be really... Yeah, we did it. Here's a bench area thing. It's really made of chocolate. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. This is the test of all tests.
What do you think?
No? Yeah? You in? It's good? Yeah. Have a good route. So the test is...
One Staffordshire Terrier.
Ta-da!
So we got this in the post. Box of fucking Smarties. But no, seriously. Niall Tolan. Pretty fucking amazing.
Look at that. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, happy with that.
Unreal.
Just like my car, just like real life.
Where are you?
I was just there, look.
Here's the permanent area where this is going to live now. It's already been here, but we got the really cheesy Toyota banner.
Oh my god.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Is it spelled right?
Oh, amazing! Ah!